Do you promise to serve to the best of your ability, to uphold the highest standard of our industry, to faithfully carry out the duties of the office as set forth in its bylaws, and to serve as leaders and spokesmen for the commercial and residential real estate industries in the Washington metropolitan area?
I do.
Oh, let's give a more resounding one to that.
I do.
All right.
Recognize real estate with the slogan, location, location, location. Ours for 2010 is home ownership, home ownership, home ownership.
This one is from the National Association of Realtors President, Charles McMillan.
Wow.
Congratulations. And this is from WDCAR. It doesn't have Tiffany, but I think you'll enjoy them as
I'm
well.
sure it's wonderful. Thank you all so very
Thank
much.
you, Nathan. Congratulations.
Good.